Hey guys, I thought I'd just show you the fire alarms at my school. These are the new pull stations, with the newer ones. This is the only horn like it in its school. Finally got to show you these. Yeah, the old pull stations there's only one, and it's in Edwards 270 SPO. Obviously you know this, the Wheelock 34. It's been here for a long time. I'll try to show you the other ones. This is the main horns, main Federal 450Ds. These are the school bells. They are brand new, and three of them, we got three because the school was so small, but they've all had, every single one, only one bell hasn't failed to work. Yeah. They're just 6-inch ones, you know how they sound. Yep. Those are the exit signs, long, short hallway.